Hi, I'm Paul, the Happy Gilder. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm just going to cover the simple process of applying glitter to the back of your signs. So this just makes the letters sparkle and gives it a little bit of extra pop. It's a simple process, so it's going to be a short video, and you don't need many things. So the only things I'm going to be using, aside from my paintbrush, is just this small tin of clear enamel and two different types of glitter. Well, two different colours of glitter. I'm using this clear enamel because it's cheap. It's like about £3. It's for using on like Airfix kits and model kits. You can use something like a spray if you're doing a much bigger area, but I would be careful when using any type of spray if you're going to be going over areas that you've already painted, because it can react with it. Acrylic is best, but if you apply it really thick, it will still probably bubble up the back of your paint. So it's just a kind of word of warning. If you're going to go for a sort of larger area and use spray, it'd be best to mask off your painted areas first. But I'm just going to be doing the letters and the leaves in this design, which you might recognise from my last video. So I'm going to be adding the nice rich red to the letters here, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of green to these leaves. So I'm going to switch the camera angle and then just get cracking on with it. So I'm going to start by applying the clear gloss enamel really liberally to each letter, and the reason I want quite a lot of liquid on there is that I want this glitter to sort of sink into it and not just sit on it when it's tacky. I'm going to apply the glitter with a spoon, and that's because if I'd done this with my hands it would end up all over my hands. It's not like sprinkling salt. This stuff will just stick to the oils on your hands and end up getting it everywhere. So once the enamel's dry, which will depend on the brand you use, and it should say on the tin, I'll be tipping the glitter off, but then I'll give it another backing coat, because although I'm applying the glitter very thick, it might not be 100% opaque and I don't want any light getting through. So I'll be backing this up with a bright red paint, and I'll be doing the same process with the green glitter and the leaves. So I've left that for a few hours to dry. Now I'm going to kind of remove the excess glitter first by just tipping it back into the tray, and then I'm going to brush away the last few bits. Now, the tray is super important, obviously, because this stuff goes everywhere. I would try and get it into the tray, then fill the tray with water, then pour it down a drain. It's the best way to do it. Otherwise, if you keep your stuff dry, any slight gust of wind and your house is filled with glitter. So, starters, the first thing I'm going to do is just tip this up. You already see a lot of glitter has come off there, but you can also see the effect that that's had, and I think that looks really nice. So then while it's stood up, I'm just going to brush away the glitter that's just still loose upon the surface. Now I'm not going to lay this back face down where there's glitter in case it's kind of sharp and scratches the surface of the glass. So while I do this, just going to keep it stood up until I've got the excess off, and then I might just run a hoover over it to get the very last bits. So that's it. Very simple process. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and click the little thumbs up icon, and please share it with anyone else who you think would enjoy it. So till next time, cheers.